From the interpreting box plots, we're step-by-step example. I have a sticker, by the way. Test example. A box plot can tell you about the percent of days that fall above, below, or between the values in the 5-number summary. Notice that the number 23 is the same as the value for the first quartile in the box plot. The percent of days with at least 23 hats. Yes, to come. Step-by-step example. Note that the number 23 is the same as the value for the first quartile in the box plot. What percent of observations are found above the first quartile? So we can see the percent of 23. And here's the story. Virginia is a lifeguard at the beach. To pass time when no one is in the water, she counts the number of people wearing hats to protect themselves from the sun. She then records her findings. Here's a box plot representing the data. So we have this here of quartile 1, box plot, okay. So let's figure out the percentage. Is quartile the same value. Some observations are found from the first quartile. Not fully sure how to do this, so I'm gonna put 5. Okay. Each quartile in the box plot contains 20% of observations. The percent of days with at least 23 hats seen is 75. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay. Oh, because 23. Okay, I think I understand. Let's see if I do. 23 and 33. A box plot can tell you about the percent of days that fall above, below, or between the values in the 5-number summary. Can the box plot help you determine the number of days between 23 and 33 hats seen? I think it could. Nope. A box plot does not show the number of observations. It only shows the distribution of the in terms of percents. Number of days between 23 and 33 hats seen cannot be determined. Okay, I'm more newer to this. At least to some of this. Forces are you ready? Access to the subject. I think so. Now move on to build up your skills in interpreting box plots. Working in this workspace, you can review this example by clicking the step by step button. Yes, that's at the end.